Okay, so I want to do a real quick video on taping up a door handle. A lot of the times we are spraying ceilings and we still need to tape up door handles. A lot of the times we're not taking door handles off to paint the doors, and so you still want to tape them. There's a lot of different scenarios where we're going to tape up door handles. And what I want to go through on this process is what it looks like to properly tape a door handle. So once again, this is not a delicate surface. You're not going to remove the finish from a door handle. So we're going with our standard go-to masking tape. This stuff's about 1.5 inches wide. Yeah, about 1.5 inches wide. That's our standard size. And what we'll do is we always start with this outer rim outside of here. So I'll take it, pull me off a little chunk. I want to come in here closer. What you do, your tape is movable. You don't have to go in the straight line that it's trying to offer itself in. So what I do is I come right up to the top. I have my finger, two of them stuck on the back, then 2 of them applied to the front. And this allows me to move my tape around however I'd like to. And so I just simply get it on there. I'm pushing with my thumbs to get it into the area that I want it to. Can you see this? Are you up close enough? I want to push, but I want to line up that first one perfectly. Then I just hold my thumb there so it doesn't pop, and I'm literally pulling my tape wherever I want it to go. I'm pulling and then I'm applying, pulling and applying. Then I do the same thing over here, keeping it in the spot that I want it, pull and apply, pull and apply. Really simple. And then I'm pulling and it's already applying itself because now it's got the line that it wants to go to. I just simply pull. The objective when you do that, and then I tuck in that first run. The objective when you do that is you do not want any tape onto the door. You're painting the door. You don't want any tape on the door. Your objective is to make sure that you properly conceal the handle so we don't get any paint onto the handle. Now, this is not the type of tape where you can slap paint right up to it and expect it to keep paint off of anything. This is a protective tape, so it's there for if we're getting paint falling from the ceiling or from the walls, you're just protecting this particular thing. So then I'll grab another piece. So that's your big thing right there. You want to make sure that that is precise. Pull, stick, pull, stick. Then I'll grab another piece and this one doesn't have to be precise. I'll just wrap it around. Just wrap it until it's all sealed up. If I'm spraying the door and I didn't take a handle off for some reason, I'm just gonna make sure that this thing is sealed up really tight. I'm gonna make sure that nothing could get behind that tape. And that's exactly the way that it is right now. Nothing is gonna get behind there. I can literally spray this door if I wanted to, and nothing would touch this handle at all. And I'm not gonna remove the tape off this handle till the door is perfectly dry. And so that's how you want to do that. I do it in 2 parts like that. You saw how I did the back and I tucked in and then I did the front. And the reason why I did that is, look, it still leaves the ability for the handle to turn. If you tried to do from the back all the way to the front and you tried to do this type of thing and make all of that all one, you're going to pull tape off of your ring around here, and it's not conducive for you because you just spent all that work. So do the first ring tape and then the second ring tape as well. Let's do one more. I'll show you a little bit again. Start out with about 8 inches, 9 inches, 2 fingers on, 2 fingers behind. I'm pushing, I'm putting it right on. Your very first application is exactly, that's the precise thing. Then I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna work it so I don't see any silver back there. Work it around, and then I'm gonna pull this side. Same thing, I'll hold my finger on it. I can come up, pull off, pull on, wrap all the way around. Nothing's touching, tuck in. Grab some more, wrap around. Got a little piece back here. Once again, good. And well, if the door was unlocked, you'd be able to turn it. But that's exactly how you want to do door handles. Can't see anything, and you can paint right up to it. If you get a little bit on the tape, it's not going to hurt it. You just don't want to slap it on there. But that's the proper way to do a door handle when it comes to tape.